Why not? Today we're going to do a video about drift car, and this is a 1.24 of size. The frequency about this car, it's 2.4 gig. Even the light comes on. Okay, like always, let's look at the box. It's not that one I have. It's this guy here, the GTR. So let's look at the box. Oh yeah, the speed limit 20 click, so that's enough for me. And this is a four-wheel drive with LED, and the scale is 1.24. We have inside, we have tire replacement inside, so let's open it. Okay, so like I told you, I have the GTR. Information about the user manual. It's small, really small. This is for charging the battery. We have tire, not to do drift, but regular tire. He gave us some cone and sticker, red sticker. This is the remote control with the light and everything, and this is going to be the car. Look at this beauty. We're going to peel it out. Let's peel it out. Let's turn it on. You can see the light in front, the light in the back. Let's turn on the power here, and voila. We close the light, turn on. That's going to be, you have 2 speed, low and high, and that, like I told you, that's a 4-wheel drive. Let's look at that. And the wheel on it, this is the wheel for drifting. And do we have suspension? Not really a lot. Look, almost nothing of suspension. Okay, let's try it out. The only thing I can tell you is the remote control here is very, very fragile. I hope you like this video about that GTR. And everything is made plastic, but is well done. So if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and see you in another one.